So you have the chance to win 1,000 pesos. Hello mga kaluho at mga kalayas! For today naman ay mag-unbox ulit tayo guys kasi ang tagal kong hindi nag-unbox. Medyo naging busy kasi naglipat kami ng bahay. So, sobrang daming dapat gawin. So, kahapon nakapag-shopping ako sa Power Mac at saka ibang gadgets. I'm not sure, hindi ko na matandaan kung saang store ito, mga OSMO and Mic. So, mamaya, i-recall ko or I'll just, ano nga tawag mo ba?
Comment it.
So, kung saan ko nabili guys yung OSMO and Mic, I'll just put in my description below. So, make sure just to look at it in there. So, si Zia, my niece, is here to help me again.
Hello.
Kasi medyo madami to. Hello everyone.
At least it's more than before.
Yeah, but this time it's different. It's not bags and shoes.
It's devices.
Yes, devices and gadgets. Parehas ba yun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Devices and gadgets.
Yes. Zia will pick again. You pick
The big one.
the big one. Okay. So, oh, it's quite heavy. It's quite heavy, baby. So you open it. There you go. Whoops.
This was heavier than I thought.
Okay. So, ito guys. Show it to the camera. You show it to the camera.
How do you open it? Be very careful.
So,
My phone.
whoops.
Rip everything off! Oh no, it's
How is
hard.
it this?
Oh! What the broke? What the? No wonder it was heavy. A box inside of a box.
Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense.
There you go. So, guys,
That's
it's
big.
a MacBook Pro. It's a MacBook
That's
Pro.
there. Wait, no.
And let's open it.
There.
It
It has a container protected.
still has a plastic on it.
Ooh, satisfying. Satisfying sound.
There you go.
What is this?
It's still.
This is how you use it.
Ooh. The color of this one is space gray.
This must
I used to have the MacBook Air. Can you get that one, Zia? Let's compare it.
Okay.
I used to have a MacBook Air, but then I upgraded to this one and I gave my old one to my son. This one, see? I have this one, you hold this. Let's try to compare.
I want to play games.
Ganito mo, bebe.
So this one's bigger. I
Yeah.
think.
And
Okay.
let's see the thickness. Yeah, this is thin, but this one is.
This is almost a
The
splash.
size is uniform from each side. See?
Uniform?
Yeah, it's same. Unlike this MacBook
Like-
Air, it's thin on this side and it's thick on the other side, right? So guys,
Why did they have to provide? Ooh, pretty. There's even this things. Be careful. I'm gonna put this back because I might drop
so
it.
pretty, so pretty.
Pretty. What is that place? I want to go there. That looks like a snail shell.
I know, it's beautiful, very beautiful.
Yes.
Anyway, so let's move on to the other.
Charger.
A charger. Yeah, that's a
Everything's
charger.
hard to remove, as always. The account.
This one.
Is it the cell phone?
Yep.
Oh, I thought it was AirPods.
there's no plastic anymore because they installed some.
Oh,
Okay,
oh wow, that's black.
so
That's black. Oh. Ooh.
it's a what do you call this? iPhone Pro 11.
11?
iPhone
iPhone 11.
Pro. Be, ano nga ito? iPhone, ano nga to? iPhone 11 Pro Max. 512 gig, yun.
What's
So,
512?
512 gigabytes. So, that's it. So, we're gonna close it back and then you give it to them again. Okay, so for this one naman, guys, this is the new, what do you call this?
AirPods.
This is the new
AirPods Pro.
AirPods, yes.
Wireless.
And this is 14,990, guys, for this one. Oh, for the MacBook Pro, it's 107,000 pesos. But then I think I get a discount. I'm not sure how much. It's quite big discount. So by the way, this is from Power Mac Mall of Asia branch, guys. Yun.
No wonder it took you so long.
So this one naman, I also have the old one, and then I pass it to my nephew, and then I bought another one for my son, and then this one is for my other son.
What
Ethan.
are you talking about, nephew?
Kuya Yayel.
Ah,
Yeah, I gave my old one to Kuya Yayel.
I forgot you.
Yeah.
I forgot
So
you.
this, I actually like this one.
Really?
Because it has a wrapper in it. They said it's better. So it comes with charger, of course.
Oh,
Look, you show it to the camera, Zibra. How it looks like.
this looks so cute.
Yeah. You want one also? Yes. Si Zia wants one also. Yeah. I'll buy you a like this next time.
It looks so.
Look, it's so cute, guys. Look, it's so small. And then it has rubber already. Aww. Try mo yung isa.
Oh.
Oh, it's nice. It's nice. It's really nice. It fits perfect in my ears. See? It's
Which
so
ear
nice.
does this go to?
Dapat ba pinakaganito? It should point on your face.
How?
Sige, pasok mo. Okay, so we have this. We have to give this to Kuya Ethan. Kuya Ethan! Come here. We already unboxed your
AirPods.
Super nice. Super nice.
And cute.
Ano, paano ito ibalik? Bebe, tinan mo. So cute.
Wala, ang cute.
Why is it
Bakit
di-
gusto ko din?
You have many already. You have a laptop, you have a cell phone, and you have AirPods. Stop it.
So cute, Bebe.
Get some help, bro.
Ito na cute.
Oh, come here. Say hi ka muna.
Say hi.
Mag-hi ka muna dito sa camera.
It's okay, Ethan.
Here. Shy.
Eh,
Okay.
My
so-
shyness has been discovered. Go. Ibo might get that, Ethan. Okay, here's the try it on.
Where's your iPad, Ethan? Tetestingin natin the next one. Okay, so for the next one, this is just an accessory that I bought for the iPad that my son owned. My son got got an iPad Pro 11-inch, second generation, and this one is the pen. So this one cost like 7,990. I wanna open it and actually try it on. Ethan, can you get your iPad, please? Be, kunin mo ba ang iPad din? Itatesting natin to. Kasi nung binili ko to, hindi ko dala yung iPad, guys. So, sinabi ko lang yung model. And then they gave me this. I'm not really a techie person. So, medyo bubita ako sa ganyan. And so, I have one more accessories here. And it's called Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. Yeah. So, this is the pencil. Okay,
This is
so
the
this
pencil.
is my son's iPad. Let's try the pencil. Bebe, saan ka itinatry yun?
Hindi ko kayo parinig.
Sa ano po? Sa taas. Yan po, may ano dyan. Minamagnet lang po yan.
Bebe, yung agay pang gagamitin to.
Sa ano po?
Settings? Dinidikit ko yan dito. Parinig pa din. Ba, anong password? Yan, tapos pupunta ako sa notes. Oh, nag-ano na siya!
Naka? Yan, baliktad na kayo sa Apple Pencil. Kasi po
Oo,
dinikit
dahil
na.
dinikit na. Okay, so pupunta ako ng notes.
Saan tayo pupunta? Sa notes.
Notes ko pa.
Ayan.
Yan,
Yun, Apple Pencil. So, this one, guys, is like this. So, oh! Look. I'm gonna sign. I'm gonna sign. Chuk, 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 chuk.
Try.
Oh, you try. So, it works. It works. So, we love Apple.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
I think we all do, right?
Ooh.
And then this one naman, it's because sometimes I just use my phone taking videos because I'm too lazy to take my camera and such a heavy stuff to put in my bag, so just my phone. So I bought this one. It's called OSMO Mobile 3 Combo. So it still has the plastic on it. Ano sinat mo?
I said hello.
Okay, so this one. But maganda nito pagka nagsasayaw ka for TikTok, sumusunod. Tinesting sa akin dun sa store, sabi ko, amazed na amazed ako. Sabi ko, ala, sumunod! So anyway, I'll ask my son to figure this out because I don't know how to use this. So yeah, this one. It looks like this.
I know.
It's fun.
So ito guys. Ayan. Tapos may ganito. I'm not sure what is this. Can you check this one, bebe?
Uh-oh.
So it comes with
How do
a
you open this?
nice bag. It's hard case bag.
Mommy, can you call Apple? How do you open this?
It's not Apple. This is OSMO Mobile 3.
Then call Osmo.
For
Call Osmo.
I don't know who's OSMO.
I don't know who's Osmo. Finally! It was
You have to put your phone in here, and this is a stabilizer, so it follows
What is
you
this?
actually. It moves.
Ooh,
It's hard to explain. It's just,
it's just too much.
yeah, too much to explain. Anyway, I'll show you how I use this next time.
My answers in school are longer than that.
This Osmo comes with a
Why is this like a coat?
bag,
It has legs! Oh,
tripod.
it's gonna be moving.
I think you can remove this for some reason. You can.
Where do I put this? I don't know where you put this.
Kailangan nyo itong pag-aralan. How to use
You're
this.
giving.
Yun. Medyo,
Kuya.
try this.
I want the
Try nyo
pencil.
ba? Pagka kayo ay yung halimbawa, magsasayaw kayo sa TikTok, i-square nyo yung mukha ninyo. Kahit kayo maggagalaw, nasunod ito.
Where's the pencil?
Ha?
Oo. Pwede mo din ilagay ito dito sa ganito. Tama, may ilagay yan. So, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa tripod kasi meron siyang ganito, guys. Arali. Manood sa
Where's the
YouTube how to
pencil?
use it.
Where's the pencil? I wanna borrow the pencil again.
Tapos, eto guys yung Boyamine.
Oh.
Digital condenser stereo microphone. Let's try this.
I wanna pencil.
Gusto mo din nun? Ay, old naman ang iyong iPad. You
Yeah.
have to get a new iPad.
How do I transfer all my data then?
Pagka bibili tayo ng iPad mo, luma na kasi yung iPad mo ata. Kailan pa yung iPad mo ngayon?
I don't.
Yeah, we'll get you a new one. Kaya good girl ka. Dapat good girl. Tapos bibilhan din kita yung ganun kay Kuya Ethan na AirPods. Ay, tinapon. Ito guys, yung pouch nito. So, pwede siya yung ganito. Tapos ito, sa pang iPhone lang talaga. Ayan o, pang iPhone lang. Tapos, ito naman, pwede nyo din siyang ilagay dito sa, ano daw, dito sa loob na to.
Maybe you can use this in.
Parang binibihisan mo siya. So, pwede na natin siya ngayong gamitin, guys, sa pagbablog, pagbi-video para mas malinis, mas malinaw yung capture ng sounds, I think. Okay, so may kasama siyang charger dun sa ano. Be, ito yung charger ng ano, OSMO. O, are ang, it comes with a handle also. Sa OSMO nga, are? Oo nga, DJI. Tapos magda-download kayo ng DJI.
Huh?
Oo, be, DJI.
Mommy, it's so
Mimo.
pretty.
Yeah. Sharp memory ha. DJI Mimo.
Long.
M-I-M-O. Be, ang charger.
I have short-term memory.
Me too. Good thing I remember that. Okay. J as in Juan. Okay, so that's about it mga kaluho. Tapos na po ang ating pag-unbox hanggang sa muli. Kung kayo ay bago dito sa aking channel and you love this unboxing videos like this, normally I do unboxing of bags, shoes, luxury stuff. Well, I think Mac is luxury stuff also, so it's,
Kind of the same.
yeah. So don't forget to subscribe guys and hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na may mga new videos ako na i-upload. And also, I do giveaways dito sa aking YouTube channel. So all you have to do is subscribe and wait for my announcement. For this video,
Hit the notification bell.
I
like this
have
video, and
to
share.
ask every one of my subscribers, kasi meron akong tawag dito, pa-giveaway for this particular one. I'm gonna give away 1,000 pesos, but you have to comment what are those items that we unbox. Do you think that's a good question? Yeah.
I mean-
They have to comment all the gadgets that we unbox. Okay, guys? So, I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye, guys. Love you all.
Bye.
Oh, yeah. See you. Zia, you have to say bye also. Thank you, Zia.
Bye.